Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You already have a running project and a clear data model. Start by creating a Save Manager script. First, declare the file path and a save structure dictionary or resource. Then, implement a basic save function that opens a file with file. New, writes JSON, stringify data or use config file. Save, and closes. You do this so the format is consistent and easily tested. Once done, call save from a button or signal to verify the pipeline immediately. Now focus on loading and robust handling. Write a load function that checks file. Exists, opens read mode, parses JSON, parse contents or uses config file. Load, then maps values back to nodes and variables. Make sure to validate types and provide defaults for missing fields to avoid runtime errors. You should also implement versioning in the save, a version number, so you can migrate data later. Make sure to test corrupt files and simulate interrupted writes to see behavior. Finish by polishing. Add autosave intervals, manual quicksave, and a save queue to avoid blocking the main thread. Use file. Open with write flags or write to a temp file, then rename to ensure atomicity. This prevents corruption on crash. If you need cross-platform consistency, use user / for user data. If something goes wrong, the first thing you check is the file path and permissions. Incorrect paths or missing write access are the most common failures, so log errors and show recovery options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.